Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Stop scrolling, seriously. I just found the most mind-blowing kitchen and I immediately had to tell you about it. OMG, this is insane. It's like Modern Tudor went on vacation to the Mediterranean and decided to stay. Look at the colors. That terracotta orange tile everywhere on the floor and backsplash. It's totally giving cozy European villa vibes, right? But it's not rustic in a bad way because they paired it with these super clean white shaker cabinets and bright white marble counters. It's the perfect balance. And the ceilings, wow, they must be 11 feet high, maybe even more. And they have those gorgeous dark wood beams that pull in that Tudor structure. It adds so much character. The island is massive too. We're talking at least 8 feet of workspace, enough room for serious baking and for 3 people to sit comfortably. No more cramped kitchen dramas. This design absolutely fixes the drama of a boring kitchen. Plus, they nailed the natural light with that huge bank of grid-paned windows over the farmhouse sink. Honestly, it's a game changer. Everything is so detailed, from the brass pot filler over the range to the custom plaster hood. This isn't just a kitchen. This is the dream home definition. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.